How to transform a photo into a sketch in just one click. So if you want to transform a photo of yours into a sketch, then all you have to do is open up your Chrome browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and on the search bar search for Luna Pic and then tap on that. And here after that, on the upper right corner you will have the three dots icon. Tap on those three dots and then go for desktop site, and here you will have a desktop site of Luna Pic, and here you will find an upload option. Tap on upload and then you can choose a photo that you would like to transform into a sketch. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here on the upper corner you will have a bunch of options. Tap on art and then tap on sketch. So that's it guys, that's how you transform a photo into a sketch in just one click. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.